I am in Khonoma. Khonoma is about an hour's drive from Kohima. Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland, and right there in this beautiful village of Khonoma, I'm here with this young man who has this place that makes local rice beer using the local Naga sticky rice. So what you see over here is these strong ladies who are pounding rice. The sticky rice, it's being pounded using a wooden mallet, sort of a hammer, onto a wooden board. There is a little depression, rice is there, and they're continuously pounding it. This is the first step in making of the local rice beer, which is also called
Zutho.
Zutho, Z-U-T-H-O. And this is the first stage, and we will move on to the next stage. Alright, so this is the next stage. Once we have pounded the sticky rice, thank you, the chicken outside. So once we have pounded the sticky rice, what we do is that we get that sticky rice and put it into this cane basket. Now the beauty about this is that the cane basket on the outside is covered with a paste of dry leaves which are crushed along with some cow dung. What it does is, once it dries up, it does not let the water or the rice that we will be fermenting for the rice beer to flow out. This is a very old traditional way, and in this, go ahead, we are adding the pounded sticky Naga rice. Yeah. Yeah, all of it. And then what we do is we fill this up with some hot water and we let it stand for an overnight. About 14 to 15 hours, it stands, the hot water and the rice flour, it stands together. And the next morning, what happens is, we've got this rice with husk. This particular rice with husk is taken from the field. You add a piece of charcoal into the entire small little box of this rice with the husk. You keep this for about 4 to 5 days. Remove the piece of charcoal, and this rice with husk then becomes the starter or the yeast for this particular rice wine. And what it is, how it is added is that this is pounded after 4 to 5 days in the similar way how the rice was pounded, right? And then it is added to the rice flour and the water. After 15 days of fermentation, the rice settles and the rice beer, what is it called again?
Zutho.
Zutho, as it's called, is floating on the top. You just fill up a cup and take it out and drink and enjoy. Very soon I'll show you how the rice beer Zutho actually looks like. Alright, so go ahead. They're now adding hot water, and with a wooden stick they are stirring so that they make sure that the entire rice is nicely floating in water. It kind of becomes like a paste. So we let this paste sit for overnight, and the next day we add the starter, the rice with the husk which I just mentioned, which is again pounded and added, and then this entire thing is allowed to just settle down, sit there for about 14 to 15 days so that it ferments and the rice beer is ready. This is good. Naga style rice beer.
Yeah.
Do you have some?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Oh, let's go.